Friends, hope you all are doing great. Thasin here. Welcome to Solution World channel. And today's session, I'm going to tell you how to have cursor highlight. So just first get into your Google Chrome, and here you have to type real world graphics. So here you can see I have typed here REAL real world WRLD world graphics. So once you type here, actually here you can see the first website, real world graphics software for icons, cursor and image. So this is the one. Actually here you can see www.rwdesigner.com. So this is the one. So just click on that, and here you can see gallery. Just click on gallery. So this is the one, actually gallery. Hope you all can see. So this is the gallery, and here in the search icon and cursor library, here you have to type here cursor highlight. So let me just show you actually, and this is a cursor highlight, and click on search button. So once you click on search button, here actually you will find a list of highlight actually cursor. So you can just select any one and you can download it. So let me first select any one from here. I feel actually this yellow with actually a cursor, it looks nice, so I'll just click on it, and it will show me a download option. Let me actually just scroll down. Here you can see download option. So now I'm going to click on download option. Once I click on download option, it will start download. So once it is done, just right click on it, and you have to click on show in folder. So here you can see right click and show in folder. So this is the where actually it has got downloaded. I'll right click this and I'll copy this. So now carefully notice what I'm going to do. So I have copied this and I'm going to close this. Now open your my computer. So once you open your my computer, here you have to go to C and then click on Windows. C folder, and actually you have to click on Windows. In Windows you have to search for cursor folder. So just click on, this is my cursor. So just click on cursor and you will have a number of cursors here actually. So let me just resize this, and actually here I'm going to paste that. So it is asking me permission. I'll grant permission. Now it is getting copied here. So hope you're just following me. Actually, if you're confused, you can also actually have a look on it again. So now once I copied, actually I am just closed and I'm back. Actually I'll just get into search button here, and I'll type here mouse, 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 and here you can see actually change mouse settings is here. So I'll click on mouse settings, and here I'm going to click on pointers. So let me just first click on pointers. Yes, and then here what I'm going to do, here we have a browse option. Here in the browse, I'm just going to scroll down and search for the highlight cursor actually which I download. Actually here you can see the yellow one actually I have selected, and now I'm going to actually just apply it. So I have selected and I'm going to click on apply. So once I apply, so now you guys, you can see here actually it's showing you it has changed to yellow. Now you can see my cursor how it actually highlights. So this is how we can have our highlights. Please kindly subscribe my channel and share, like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.